This video demonstrates a key new feature of CA Mainframe Operational Intelligence, the Rules Builder. CA Mainframe Operational Intelligence allows you to create and manage rules using the Rules Builder, now a part of the Appliance Controller user interface. Catherine, the system administrator, wants to add a rule that will affect a category of metrics. She clicks Add Rule. She gives the rule a name and types the description for the rule, and leaves the rule's status toggled to Enabled again. Now she clicks the plus sign to begin entering the conditions for the rule. She chooses Anomaly Score and sets it to a value greater than 90. She sets the next condition to ZOS System. It sets the operator to Is, then clicks the list icon to get a list of available ZOS systems. Again, this time she sets the value to Any, so any ZOS systems covered by the rule. She has to add one more condition to finish the rule. She clicks plus and adds category. She chooses Is as the operator, clicks the list icon, and chooses CICS region. Then she clicks Save. The result is a rule the conditions of which are met when the anomaly score is greater than 90 for any ZOS system when the category for the metric is CICS region. For more information on the Rules Builder and all the new features of CA Mainframe Operational Intelligence, see the online documentation at techdocs.broadcom.com.